Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's a fine Friday, beautiful Friday to have a good beer with the family, chill at home, do what you gotta do. You go out there, make sure you guys wear a mask. You know what I mean? Don't be one of those mamooks, walking around with no mask and shit. But I'm making a quick video about a build that I've been building for the past month. I've been ordering parts online and doing, just the basic stuff that a bored guy at home does, But yeah, gonna be talking about my lower trigger, lower parts kit. But before that, though, I want to touch on something. What do you guys think? What's gonna happen after the election? If you guys see this video, make sure you guys put something on the comment section. Tell me what do you think is gonna happen. I'm gonna make another video about that. I'm gonna give you my point of view of what I think is gonna happen. But besides that, let's get to it. So here is my Anderson Ar15 70, 71 or 75. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Lower receiver. It's all milled out, serialized. It's good to go. I already did attach, Strike Industries, bolt catch, bolt release, and my mag release button, also from Strike Industries. And why did I get this lower? Why it's cheap? It's affordable. $7, 80 bucks, out the door, plus a background check and all that stuff. I mean, for the price, it's all right. There's other people that sell these lowers for like $100, $300, and $100 to $300, and they're mil spec, which is all the same thing. All you're doing is just buying the mark. You know what I mean? It's all built from the same material. It's all mil spec. Everything. Mil spec just sounds good. Mil spec. It's just like when somebody say pizza and you're hungry. Sounds good, doesn't it? Okay. Mil spec sounds good. I'm hungry. Mil spec. You know what I mean? So it's all the same thing to me. To me, that's just my personal opinion, guys. Mil spec to me, it's all the same shit. You buy you'll buy a let's say a Daniel Defense lower that's like $500, or I don't know how much are they, to tell you the truth, but I'm just assuming they're $5 because it's a very good mark, very good brand. To this right here, same material. And they're all mil spec. But some of them are built differently though, and some of them, the tolerances are more tighter. But the reason why I chose this one because it's cheap, and I want to try it out. I have never built a legalized AR-15, but yep. Let's stop with this. Continue with the other part. This what I got here is a lower parts kit from Strike Industries. It's a enhanced lower parts kit that I got from Strike Industries. It was around, I got it on sale for $37. I could have not passed that up. Springs, for your trigger, and all the rest of your goodies. And you got an enhanced takedown pins that you got there, but I already got some of those, and I'll show you right now which ones I got. And the reason why I wanted an enhancement kit was because I always wanted to try this out. Double-sided safety selector switch. Don't know why, but I always wanted to try it out, like I said. What else? And let me get inside this real quick. Let's see if I got it here, which I don't. Bear with me now, guys. Bear with me. Oh, and I also forgot to. I gotta put this standard, grip on it. I mean, I have a spare one. Why not? The one I ordered haven't came in yet. I guess something went wrong with the shipping. But it's all right though. But I put on these takedown pins from this amazing place that's in I think Arizona. Check that out. Maybe you can see that. Let me see. Yeah. Yep. Amazing products these people throw. And from this place, Tactical Expression Custom Shop. Look them up, they're pretty good, they're cool. Let's get to the trigger though. CMC. Single stage CMC flat trigger. This is a good trigger. It's the crisp on is a 3.5, which is, you know, the pull on it. Easy to install. I mean, whatever it is, I'm reading from the back, guys, to tell you the truth. I mean, ain't nothing to hide from it. But their says is good, but we're gonna give it a try. And let me pop this open. Comes with your all oiled down too. You can see the oil and everything. I guess that's just like the little braces for the trigger. And there it is. I got this from Palomado State Armory. I got it for 120 bucks. This thing goes for 180, 160 or something like that. I got it for 120 bucks. But yeah, man, I mean, I'm psyched out about it. It's an upgrade trigger, so to me, that's an upgrade for me. But I'm gonna make a video, another video, putting it together. So as in for right now, that's all it. That's all I got. And let me know what you guys think, though. I'm serious. Tap in below to the comment section. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys don't want to, who gives a shit? You know, just look at it. You know what I mean? Just enjoy it, feel it. Anyways, have a good day. Have a tremendous day. Have a good weekend too. Be safe.